Hey, what's up, everybody? Today we're going to talk about Marvel Rivals, specifically what to do if the game is not launching on your device, specifically on your computer or on your gaming laptop. So, first thing that you need to do is you want to head over to Steam, then you want to go to Library, head over to Marvel Rivals. You want to update this one. And then what you want to do is go to Properties. Afterwards, go to Installed Files. And what you want to do now is you want to click on this verify integrity of game files. So all 174 files have been validated. Now what we want to do is we want to head over to device manager. So let's just type in device manager. And we want to make sure that our driver, our display adapters rather, are up to date. So we'll just click this and then use the driver that you are currently using. For mine, it's NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050. So we'll right click on this, then click update driver, search automatically for drivers, and then if if it has a suggested driver, then definitely click on that one, have it installed on your device, because that could be the problem why the game isn't launching. Now, another thing here is what we want to do is we want to go back to Steam, right click again, head over to properties. And what we want to do is we want to go over, sorry, we want to go to manage rather than properties. And then we go to browse local files. Then we want to find the launcher. So here's the launcher. And then what we want to do is we want to go to properties and then compatibility. For this one, what you want to do is you want to disable full screen optimizations. And at the same time, you want to run the program as an administrator. And then just click apply. Then afterwards, the game should launch as planned. If you're still facing problems when it comes to launching the game, please make sure to comment it down below. But if this video was able to help you out, please hit that like button and hit the subscribe button as well, because we will be releasing more videos on Marvel Rivals. And we have already released some videos in the past regarding Marvel Rivals. So be sure to check that out. Until the next video, I'll see you there.